Hi, BrianHaberlin here from digitalarttutorials.com, and go ahead and talk about a little bit more tools that aren't traditional inking tools in Photoshop that you can still use to great effect. So this was a piece that I was working on showing some smudge tools and the mixer brush on how to get some interesting effects on your inks or add to your inks. To have a little bit more control and moving this around, another thing that people don't think about using is the Liquify tool. So I'm going to select this area. I'm going to go filter and I'm going to go Liquify. And Liquify, what that does is enables you to move things around, but a lot of people just use it for big general shapes. I'm going to be using it to pull in some of the hair. Like, it gets a little far up here. I want some of this lightness to come in here. And see, I can just grab it with the Liquify tool. I mean, the Liquify tool kind of makes things seem really, again, liquidy. But you can see how I can really start pulling out these shapes. And again, think about all the different things. I'm going to get rid of that whole. There's a meteorite sitting there. I'm going to get rid of that whole thing. Just pull out this shape a little bit more. Pull it back. Again, I can pull it right in. I think that's kind of handy. You have undos. You can do the undo thing here, pulling out some more. But you can get really extreme with it. And again, think about how it's going to look after you go ahead and do that threshold. And you can do a smaller brush. I can really get a lot more control if I want. Really kind of wipe out that shape that I wasn't liking. Pull in this shape. Again, you can take the shapes and kind of really, again, shape them if you want. And even use it to, adjust a little bit if you want to make him a little more sinister. Kind of bring him down as well. Let's say I want to pull that up a little bit more, pull that in. You gotta be careful when you get near to selection right down there. But really, this is another great tool that you can use to adjust or even render with your inks. Before, after, before, after. Okay? Liquify tool. It's a great tool for adjusting your stuff and for using it as a rendering tool, which most people don't think about. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please check out our website, digitalarttutorials.com. And if you have any friends or family you think might enjoy it, please, by all means, share away. There'll be a lot more of this stuff coming up. I'm dialing up to do a lot more tutorials, so subscribe and stay tuned for more.